reflection. Oh, God, can you see? Let me show you the birds. Do you see the birds in the tree? There's a bird in the bird box. Oh, it's like freezing here and the wind is just ripping through. God,
Oh, what are you doing?
God, I'm out the window, bro. Can't you see? Motion is help. Hold on. Stop. Action.
Oh, the snow's blowing in the window.
Wait.
Oh, the snow is blowing in the window.
Yes, it is, bro. It is super, super windy here. Motion is covered in snow in the house. God,
Oh, get in the window.
I gotta cut it here, bro. I can't take this. God, this is so. Oh my God, Motion, you look like a snow woman. Oh God, close the window. Yeah. Oh. There, we're done. Window shut. Oh. How do I look? Is my hair still all there? I gotta cut this. Okay, hold on. We gotta cut. God. I can't believe it's so snowy outside.
That's it.
It's super cold. Okay. Yeah, Motion, can you just stop the camera? I need to go dry off.